question posed was, what does probate mean? That's a really good question. Probate is a legal process set forth by statute in each state where the will is filed with the court so that it can be implemented. And what that means is we file the will with the court along with a petition, along with the designation of who the will says is going to act as the executor or the personal representative. And they are then given by the court legal authority to take action, typically through letters testamentary. And what that means is that the executor who's been appointed by the court now gathers up all the assets that are subject to the will, looks to see are there any creditors, publishes a notice to creditors. Everybody who's a legitimate creditor needs to be paid off, typically. And then who are the beneficiaries? Well, let's say the beneficiary is just the surviving spouse and all the assets are going to go into that trust. So they create a supplemental needs trust, get a tax ID number, fund the trust with the money, close the probate. That's what a probate is. The reason that probate gets such a bad name is when you hear about probates, it's because a person didn't have a will or there's lots of money involved and there's claims of undue influence and, that makes the media. But typically probates are pretty straightforward and methodical and not terribly complicated from a legal perspective. From a lay person, it would be difficult to do it on your own. So there typically are fees that you'll need to pay to the lawyer.